Hello students, this problem is based on a plus b whole square, and one of the very important question you can expect in exams. First, what is a plus b the whole square? Equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, correct? This is a standard pattern, standard order, but you can rewrite this as a square plus b square, the first and third term, plus 2 into ab, correct? Same three terms converted into a square plus b square plus 2 into ab, and this is very important for numericals. So we have three types of expression. One is a plus b, another one is a square plus b square, another one is a into b. If the value of any two expressions are given, you can find the third value. So this pattern is useful to find the value of the numerical. So I have to consider first this expression. So what is 2x plus 3y equal to 8, xy equal to 2. This is a given condition, correct? Now I have to calculate that. To find this, first write this. So what is a plus b whole square? 2x plus 3y the whole square equal to, otherwise you can write in regular pattern if you are not confident in this. So a square plus 2ab plus b square. So what is a? 2x, and this is 2x, b 3y, clear? So this can be written as 4x square plus this term plus 9y square plus, what is the value of this? First evaluate the final value of the coefficients. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 3 12 xy. So here the question is 2x plus 3y the whole square, and what is the given data? 2x plus 3y equal to 8. So substitute in this format. This is 8 square equal to 4x square plus 9y square plus 12 into xy. What is xy? Xy is given in the question, which is equal to 2. Now 4x square plus 9y square equal to 64 minus 12 into 2, 24, which is equal to 40. One of the very important question you can expect in either MCQ or section B. Okay. So don't forget this format. You can rewrite this expression as a square plus b square plus 2 into ab. So always write the given data and write the original formula, rewrite in this format, special format, and then substitute the value. Okay. So one similar problem with maybe the given data is 2x minus 3y is also possible. So always practice two sums. One is the expression with minus sign and an expression with plus sign. Thank you.